Going on a trip and want to download some movies or shows to watch on your travels? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to save movies and shows on the Netflix app to watch offline. Now let's get started. To save shows and movies for offline viewing on Netflix, open the Netflix app on your mobile device or tablet. Then search for the movie or show you want to download. Tap Download to save the movie or season of show for offline viewing, or save specific episodes to watch by tapping the download icon to the right of an episode title. You can find your downloaded content by tapping My Netflix. Then tap Downloads. Once the downloads are complete, you'll be able to watch these saved titles even if you don't have internet access. That's all it takes to download shows and movies for offline viewing on the Netflix app. For more helpful Netflix tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Netflix tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.